Hey kiddos, it's Mrs. Gershon here. This week we're going to be working with the vowel sound O. We're going to be working with the short sound and the long sound. We know this because up in our headers we see our little half smiley face for our short O, which would make the ah sound like in sock. And then the long line above the O in the second one indicates that we'll be making the long O sound, as in the word bone. So we're going to go through and read our words. If there's a word you're not sure of, please make sure to ask a teacher after you watch your video. All right, in our first column we have the word rock, job, clock, joke, rope, some, stove. Second column we have cone, hope, hot, home, come, spot, woke. And in our last column we have nose, those, hose, pot, hole, chop, and broke. You might want to go ahead and write these words in, like clock and rope, cone. You can do this on your own paper, and pot. So again, we're listening for the ah sound and the o sound. So maybe let's do our first two at the top together. So if I'm doing blue for sock, the ah sound, and I come down to the first word rock, I hear the same as sock, so that's going to be in blue. If I switch over to green for the long o sound, o, as in bone, I come to the word below it, cone, I hear the long o sound. Notice as well that you have your silent E here. The E normally makes the vowel say its own name. However, we do have a couple oddballs this week. We have some. You hear when you say the word some, but it has an E, so it's not following the pattern. We also have the word come. Again, we're hearing the sound, but it has an E at the end, so it does not follow the pattern that we've seen in the other words. All right, kiddos, make sure to say the words, listen for that ah sound or that o sound as you're saying the words. Happy sorting!